Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Mother's Day card. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardstock, perhaps 65 pounds or more, to form the base of your card. Don't forget your trusty scissors, some reliable glue, and a selection of colorful markers or pens. For decoration, consider glitter, stickers, or even small, pressed flowers to add a personal touch. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's begin shaping your card. Take your chosen cardstock and fold it precisely in half, ensuring the edges align perfectly. A common and elegant size for a handmade card is 5 inches by 7 inches when folded, so you might trim it to this dimension. For a more unique design, consider using a template to cut out a special shape, like a heart or a flower, for your card's base. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Let your creativity shine by adding drawings, stickers, or even layering different colored papers for a vibrant effect. Incorporate various textures, such as small pieces of fabric or elegant ribbons, to give your card a tactile appeal. For an extra surprise, try creating a simple pop-up element inside, perhaps a small flower or heart, by carefully cutting and folding. Finally, the most important step is to craft a heartfelt message for your mother. Take your time to write something truly special, expressing your love and gratitude. Personalize it with a cherished memory or a sweet inside joke that only you two share. Remember, the words you choose will make this handmade card truly unique and meaningful. Sign it with love, and perhaps add a small, hand-drawn doodle to complete your thoughtful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.